got mad at me because she thought I was tooting on at her. I was like, Agnes, look right there. It says Go Birds. That's what I'm tooting at. Hey, it's Lisa Lasort back with us from Temp-tations. And, you know, Tara and I presented this on Sunday.
Yes.
And over 4,000 were ordered.
No.
Now, we're down to clearance pricing on this corner rack, which I think is brilliant because you folks at Temp-tations always come up with the smartest ideas.
Ah, thank you.
And this is amazing because what it does is it utilizes that wasted space in the corner, right?
Yes, yes.
Tell us about this.
Yeah, so everybody loved our baker's rack, and then all the customers said, how about a corner rack? Just like you were saying. Here's what we love about it, David. First of all, 4.5 inches right here if you want to store it. So if you can store an ironing board, you can store this. Under 17.5 pounds. So look how easy it is for me to lift. Comes out of the box fully assembled, which we all love. Here's what you're going to do. Turn it into a V, just like so. Lift up the top rack right there. All the bottom racks, see how they fall right into place?
All into place.
They will hold 30 pounds per rack. So 120 pounds total.
30 pounds. 30 pounds, 30 pounds, and finally 30 pounds.
It's amazing, right? We left the back open, so if you want to put anything that has cords in it, perfect. You'll see the old world and the floral lace design, and right there you'll see we actually did powder-coated steel that makes it lightweight and durable, but because we wove it so tightly, you can put tiny little figurines on here if you want to.
Which is great. Can I tell you also that, Christina, it's okay, Bubble. You're all fine. Christina, come here, darling. Come here, sugar. No, it's okay. Come here. This is Christina, one of our food stylists, and she was over here, and she was just getting ready. It's okay. Look at the camera right there. I want the red light on. This is Christina. I met her mom and dad in the airport this weekend when I was coming home from my vacation. They came up and said hi.
Really?
Yes.
So, honey, you're fine.
Okay.
We're all family. It's all good. Did you need to go this way?
I did.
Okay, go ahead. That's fine. That's Christina, one of our chef food stylists. She's brilliant. We love her. All right, just want to throw that in there for you. Hey, if you want the red.
Yes.
I have 1,200 left. And remember, with a clearance item, when they're gone for good. Because Tara told us Sunday we're retiring
We
these,
are
right?
retiring this.
If you want blue, 180 left to go around here, and finally the black. 8? 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Oh, 8?
8 is enough, the TV show, right? Each kid would have one. Actually, you know what? Each kid in 8 is enough didn't get one because it just sold out.
Oh,
Thank
no.
So, and then there were 2.
Okay, love this.
Hello, patriotic red and blue.
Oh my gosh, I love this. And
Right.
because it's so lightweight, under 17.5 pounds, and remember how easy it is to put together and to store. Look at this, David. I can move it from room to room, so I can take it inside and outside. Now, don't leave it outside overnight, but look at this. Super easy to just carry wherever
How much does
you
the whole
need.
thing weigh when...
17.5 pounds.
17.5 pounds. I know you probably said that, but you know me, I
that.
don't hear every word because someone's talking in my ear.
Yeah.
This is K46516, and it's clearance pricing on this. Customer top rated.
Yep.
And it's available for you tonight on 6 pay. 6 easy payments of $14 and change. If you just watch what Lisa did, that's the extent of the assembly.
That's all you have to do.
You don't do anything but just open it up, let the shelves cascade down, flip the top over, lock it in place, and you're done.
And you're good to go. So think about all those corners that you're looking for extra light, like maybe it's your family room, maybe it's a kid's room, a sun room. We have so many great ideas for you back here, David.
Well, some really fun ideas, and I want you to remember, we're now utilizing that wasted space in a corner. Now that corner of your kitchen, behind the kitchen table, where nothing goes because what fits in the corner?
That's exactly right.
This does.
When you think about things, KitchenAid mixer will fit on here because it holds up to 30 pounds per shelf, so 120 pounds. But because it's open in the back, all your cords, like your Keurig, things like that, will fit right behind it. No worries at all.
And you're going to love it also. My mom uses a Temp-tations rack in her kitchen and to display all of her Temp-tations. When I was home for Christmas time, I was in charge of the mac and cheese for Christmas dinner. I know, small wonder. And Mom was like, you do the mac and cheese. And so I was like, gladly.
Yes.
And so I said, Mom, I need a baker. And before I could finish the word, I was like, that's right, Mom has them over against the wall on her Temp-tations rack.
Right.
So I went over and grabbed my 9x13 over there and was able to make mac and cheese for dinner.
Yeah.
This is fantastic because each one holds 30 pounds.
That's exactly right. And whoever has enough kitchen storage space? No one ever. So you can literally put this right up against the edge of your counter, display your desserts, your coffees, whatever it is.
I like to say, gee, I just have too much storage space in my kitchen. Said no one ever.
Exactly, exactly.
So this is, and then, now this is totally my jam.
Right.
I would go out by the barbecue, have all my barbecue supplies, my seasonings, my tongs, my gloves, whatever. Big platter of great strip steaks to go on the grill,
Sure.
burgers, dogs, whatever the case may be. You're ready to roll out by your barbecue.
That's right. It's a piece of furniture, David, yet at under 17 pounds, it's totally portable. Hey, can I show you something that's pretty neat if you
I
want
hope
to
you
do
will.
it? You can actually get 2 of these together if you want, and look what you can do. You can actually make, if you got 2 of the same color and
Now
you're looking
see,
for
this
larger,
is brilliant. Yes.
you can now make a really nice big baker's rack if you're not looking for that corner unit. Because we're retiring this, just want to give you some good ideas.
Well, I'll tell you, because of retiring, I want to let you know what I have left in blue.
Got it.
Fewer than 6 dozen.
Is that right?
If you want red, 1,100.
Wow.
We've sold over 4,000 of these just
Yes.
this week. We've already sold out of the black, it's gone.
Yeah.
Blue is racing out of here, fewer than 6 dozen remaining, and red will be soon to follow after that. Take advantage of this price. Clearance pricing means we're down to our final quantities and an item that we cannot reorder.
Exactly.
And when we can't reorder it, we take a top shelf item and we bring it to you at a rock bottom price. And we do that for 2 reasons. Number 1, we want to clear our inventory.
Sure.
And number 2, we want to offer you a great, compelling deal, right? You love the item, you know you can use it, and now tonight it's at a remarkably low price.
Yeah, exactly.
And in case you were worried about shipping and handling, don't be, because it's free.
I love that word.
Hello. And if you love the easy pay, we didn't put this on 3 or even 4 or 5. We put it on our maximum 6. So basically, the only thing you'll be left to do when you get at this home, set it up and put stuff on it.
That's what's so great about it. It's storage. It's a new year. We're all getting like reorganized, right?
Can I update you now?
Yeah.
Blue just sold out.
Got it.
Blue is gone.
Got
Thank you,
it.
Kyle.
David, what I love about it is what it's made of. It's powder-coated steel, which is super durable, but it makes it lightweight. So it comes out of the box just like so, all right? And all you're going to do, it's going to come out just like so. You're going to put it into a V-shaped design. You're going to lift up the top rack,
I'll
and
hold
then
him
when
for
you
you.
do that, thank you, the 3 bottom ones will literally fall into place. Just kind of shimmy them in right there. There's actually complete leveling here for you, but 120-pound capacity right there, that's really pretty storage.
And it's done. That's all you do for assembly. Hello, don't blink, you'll miss it. I will tell you that when these are gone, they're gone for good. That doesn't mean racks are going away.
That's
Kara
correct.
and your team, you guys are working on new goodies. Part of the reason she's away this week is to develop new items, and
She
so
is.
that's exciting. But I will tell you that we now in the red have fewer than 900, and that is all.
That's all we have forever.
And Tara said something on Sunday. If you wanted to put this on a covered, under a covered porch,
Sure.
don't leave it out in the rain. But it's fine under a covered porch, and if you put plants on here and you're watering them and some dribble from one shelf to the next, no big deal. It's
No
powder coated
worries at all.
steel.
No worries at all.
Yeah.
It's durable, and what I love about it is that it's versatile. Carry it from room to room.
Well, we've got final quantities now in this, customer top rated, and only the red remains. So
Most
please
popular
don't miss
kitchen
out
color,
on this.
Right?
Beg your pardon?
Isn't red the most popular?
Red is
kitchen
our
color?
foodie kitchen color, right? The one we
Yeah.
love, our favorite color. So don't miss out on this. We'll get you all squared away on red. Miss Lisa Lasort, will I see you Sunday?
I will see you on Sunday.
And you have something brand new, don't you?
Something brand new.